has come in a super hardy packaging. Packaging is quite good. So here goes the unveiling of the 4-in-1 convertible high chair for baby feeding. Okay, these are the parts coming out. Till now the packaging is satisfactory. This is probably the chair. We have unfolded the backrest and trying to fix the ladders. The back of the backrest. Seems the screw is missing. So let's see how much it's hampering product. Because we have to send it for return. Then the screw is missing. So succeeded in fixing the two ladders. One screw is missing. Let me show you which screw is missing. Which screw is missing? There is the screw which is missing. Here we don't have one screw. And it should be like this. However, this is like this. We are almost done here. It's fixed. ready along with the backrest.